afternoon. My name is James Quirk, Latin America editor for Labels and Labeling magazine. I'm here with Keren Becerra, who is operations director of Mexican label converter Etiquetas Lobo Impresores, and also recently began a 2-year term as president of Mexican Association AMETIQ. And just yesterday, during Label Expo Americas, AMETIQ made an important announcement about the foundation of a Mexican Label Awards competition, which will start next year. So Keren, would just like to hear a little bit about the motivation behind setting up these awards and what your plans for these awards are, please.
Well, yes, thank you, James. One of the projects that I am very excited about it is the establishment of the Mexican Label Awards, which will launch around the Label Summit in Latin America 2015 in Mexico City. It will be open to AMETIQ members and non-members alike. To have the opportunity to participate in these awards seems to me to be fundamental for Mexican labels converters. In Mexico, there are many different national awards competitions in the graphic arts sectors, which of course we, as an association, will continue to support. But we need a dedicated competition for the Mexican label industry.
Specifically for labels.
Yes.
And now AMETIQ has been working with the L9 group global group of label associations from around the world. My understanding is that winners of the Mexican Label Awards will be able to then enter into that competition. Is that correct?
Yes, it's correct, James. The winners will be invited to participate in the Label Awards competition that celebrates the L9 group, each Label Expo Chicago and Brussels.
And the judging panel is going to be the same judging panel for those World Label Awards, so Tony White, Mike Fairley and Andy Thomas. And another key area, I believe, that's a key sort of way of coordinating these awards is that you're going to have your Mexican converters send the samples directly to London, to the judges, in order to, so that's for transparency, I suppose, so that local converters don't worry about sending it to potentially competitive companies, so the labels will go directly to London, is that right, for the judging?
Exactly. One of the points very important for that is that the awards will be organized of the labels submitted by local converters, will be exclusively evaluated by a panel of international, global recognized judges.
So it lends a certain extra credibility, hopefully, to the competition. At the moment, my understanding is that you're welcoming entries from Mexico, but you've also had interest already, just making the announcement very recently, from other converters in the region who I imagine are similarly thinking we have few opportunities for a dedicated narrow web or dedicated label award, let us say. Do you see in the future that should the award ceremony in Mexico be a success, could you see it opening up and welcoming entries from the rest of the region and becoming a Latin American awards?
Yes, true. We think that maybe in the future, in a middle term, we can think about that because Mexico is a very good platform with that awards that we can make it in the middle term.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much, Keren, and best of luck with the awards next year. They'll be taking place just before Label Summit Latin America, which is April 21st and 22nd in Mexico City. So there will be announcements made around that time. Thank you very much.